out day. We just took the boat over to the marina. It's just right around the corner from where we're staying at on the dock. So it's just a 5-minute ride over. And we are tied up at the dock now waiting. And they're gonna haul us out. So this is the last time she'll be in the water for a little while. And she needs a bath. It is filthy. It's been sitting for the 2 months that we've been in Tennessee. And we figured we'd just wash it here. Because we just got into town the other day and haven't had time. But there she sits.
Say what you say, I just sail away. She can't stand me, but I miss her face. I feel like drowning, but the tide's too low. And now I'm waiting for the undertow. So I stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, we can break it. Like I know it takes so much. Pressure men come to pressure us. Oh, they came to watch us fall. Oh yes, they came to watch us fall.
On there? What? Make your hands big.
Gross, Emma.
Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, we can break it. Pardon me if I'm too loud, gonna sing my song, gonna sing it proud. No one's gonna bring me down, gonna stand up strong, gonna hold my ground. Tell me what are we fighting for? Just to do what we done before. Tell me what are we fighting for? Pardon me if I'm too loud, gonna sing my song, gonna sing it proud. No one's gonna bring me down, gonna stand up strong, gonna hold my ground. Tell me what are we fighting for? Just to do what we done before. Tell me what are we fighting for? Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, we can break it. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, it gets a little better. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it.
Wait.
I'm gonna look out the window.
Take a look out the window.
Do it.
We're not even that high anymore.
Do it! Mayor, did you look?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You scared?
Nope.
Nope. You're so tough. Sissy.
Scared.
She's scared, you know.
It's a big bridge.
Now we went down, so you can lift them.
Alright, so we got the boat out of the water. Now we need to go find an engine. So we're going to this place in, where's it, Safety Harbor?
I don't know.
Palma? I don't
You're
know.
driving.
I don't know, we got Google. It's called Boat and Motor Superstore. They seem to have the best deal on outboard engines. So we're heading up there to spend a bunch of money.
Yeah. Go engine shopping. What else?
That's it. Oh, look at all those dolphins.
Dolphins.
There's like 20 dolphins out there.
Oh.
whole herd of them.
I think it's a herd.
I think it's a pod.
Yeah,
Pod of
I think it's a pod.
That was a herd. It was more than a pod.
No, I think a herd is like land animal thing. Okay.
Flock of dolphins.
Flock of dolphins.
Alright guys, it's engine pull-out day. Been dreading this day for a while. So as you can see, we got some tight quarters. So somehow I gotta pull this thing out of there, stick an outboard on the back, make this thing run, and then everybody's happy. I don't know. Stay tuned. Alright, got the engine out. Got a huge giant hole in a mess. Working on cleaning this hole up. Gonna repaint in there after a little bit, so we'll just add another big storage compartment, hopefully. Then we got the fiberglass guy coming to fiberglass up that big giant hole in the back of the boat. Then hopefully we can slap on a new motor and wire it up and be good to go. So this is the big old nasty hole from when we pulled the engine out. It was a little bit bigger job than what we were comfortable with doing, so I hired a friend of a friend. Started off by filling it with some marine plywood, sanded, glass, sanded, then sanded and sanded and sanded some more. When it's finally flush and pretty, we laid on some gel coat, make it look extra nice. Then we added some aluminum sheets for strength, drilled a bunch of holes in the area we just fixed a big hole in, added a mount, custom made a bracket, slap that puppy on. Alright guys, picked up our new power plant engine, high horsepower. Just kidding, it's only got 25 horsepower. But it's got a high thrust prop, kind of made for sailboats, pontoon boats, whatever. We've left it outside for 3 days in the rain. Haven't looked at it because it's been pouring every day. Got a pretty sweet deal from Boat Motor Superstore. Oh, it's flooded with water.
Oh boy.
Look at that.
I don't know how.
Hopefully it still runs.
Hopefully we didn't ruin it before we even got
Apparently it came with a fish tank on top of it. Oh,
that sucks.
Oh, it's like encapsulated.
Yeah. Looks like a big refrigerator.
Oh, except for that big hole that's in it.
Oh boy. Oh, hold on. Let me move out of the splash zone. Holy moly.
Look at that.
Oh, it's dry. It's solid. Look at that.
It smells good.
Does it?
Brand new. 25 horsepower, extra long shaft. Yamaha just came out with it for 2019, so it's better for sailboats. This is going to replace our diesel that I took out. Hopefully be a lot quieter, more fuel efficient.
You want me to take your weapon?
Yeah. Easier to maintain, cheaper. I had to put a starter on that diesel, cost $500.
I think it was like $3.
For what, 4,100 bucks or so, plus a few other parts. But look at her, she looks brand new.
It's just pretty.
One of the only brand new things I've ever bought. So hopefully get this thing mounted up, get it on the boat, get it back in the water.
It's time to put the engine on the boat.
Just keep pulling it up. See if it lasts.
I have to move this thing up.
Okay.
Chase, come grab this. And then I'll try to just grab that and tilt it onto the bracket. Hold it. You guys might have to let go a little bit.
I'm letting it down some on my side. Let yours down. Hold on. Keep going. There.
Well, put the engine down on me and turn it a little bit.
Gotta go over.
Now,
Gotta push the top in more.
see you, behind you.
Down. Let the cover down.
Okay.
Down.
Sorry, I got it right now.
Okay, I'm let down, but it's not coming down on this.
I'm not even holding it.
It's because the weight's on
Now
it.
it's gotta come over. You gotta bring it over.
No.
Okay. Alright, so line up the holes.
Yeah. Bring it over.
Get it.
Yeah, lift it a little bit.
And pull it up. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, shit. Too far.
Sorry, I feel like you're all my weight on. Stop, Emma, something.
Okay. Let down on your side.
I want to have.
Let down on your side, Casey.
I let down, cut it down, drop it.
Yeah. Stop.
Let down.
Alright, let me just rest this in.
Okay, we're almost there.
Hold on. I'm a bit heavy. Freaking spider jumped from that on my shoulder and I'm like, don't worry about it.
It's so scary.
Pick it up. You take the weight.
Holding the head.
Have you got it?
Oh,
no, that's too much.
Sorry, I have to do with all my weight. I feel like.
Damn it. Alright, hold on. Let it swing back.
You hanged on it.
I have to swing on it like a monkey. What's up, Lamb? In order to break
there's
it.
no way to
Gotta
like,
come this way more.
we just have to set it up there like that. There's no way to like move it over slightly. I got one in my pocket.
Okay. What I want to say is, let me see, Casey. Bring that over more. Maybe you can help him.
You gotta like lock this thing in place.
Show me what you want.
Now, say it. Now, say it. Silly.
Coming up there? Go down slow. Yeah. You're still kind of off.
You gotta go this way.
Alright, hold on.
I can get this bottom one. It's heavy as crap. How about that?
Daddy did it.
Yeah, we did it.
Daddy and Grandpa.
And Mom. Hey, Mom.
Not only did we pull out the old diesel and put on a new engine, Emma learned how to ride her bike without training wheels. Make sure you join us next time as we dive into bottom paint and we splash back in the water. We hope you love this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a like, and don't forget to leave us some comments below.
I feel like drowning, but the tide's too low.